In 1992, Bell and Ross started supplying pilot watches to the French Air Force, as an official watch supplier to the Escadron de Chasse 24 Lafayette and the French space program. Welcome back, watch lovers. Today, we're diving into the story of a brand that fused aviation precision with bold design. Bell & Ross. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your horology journey, this one's for you. Let's explore the origins, the iconic square case, and the precision engineering behind one of the most distinctive names in modern watchmaking. Chapter 1: The birth of Bell & Ross. Bell & Ross was founded in 1992 by two lifelong friends, Bruno Belamich, the designer, and Carlos Rosillo, the business strategist. The name Bell & Ross is a fusion of their surnames Belamich and Rosillo. Their mission from day one? To create timepieces perfectly suited for professional use. That meant watches designed with military specs in mind, reliable, legible, functional, and precise. And their secret weapon? A collaboration with Spiegelerin, the German manufacturer known for instrument-grade tool watches. Chapter 2: Aviation DNA and the iconic square. Bell & Ross quickly became synonymous with instrument-inspired design, but it wasn't until 2005 that the watch world took serious notice with the BR-01 instrument. A true icon was born. That bold 46mm square case, round dial, and 4 visible screws, echoing the design of aircraft cockpit instruments, became the brand's signature. More than a watch, it was a statement. That design wasn't just aesthetic, it was purpose-driven. Pilots needed to read time at a glance under pressure. Bell & Ross answered with ultra-legible dials, luminescent numerals, and high-contrast layouts. Chapter 3: Craftsmanship and engineering excellence. While design draws people in, it's the craftsmanship that keeps collectors coming back. Bell & Ross timepieces are Swiss-made, with movements sourced from leading Swiss manufacturers. They've used reliable calibers like ETA, Sayita, and even custom movements for higher-end models. Cases are built with military-grade materials: ceramic, titanium, carbon fiber, and sapphire crystal. These aren't just pretty watches, they're built to perform under pressure. Some models can withstand extreme temperatures, high altitudes, and magnetic fields. Water resistance. The Hydramax 11100M, for example, was once a world record holder for water resistance, 11,100 meters. Chapter 4: Iconic collections. Let's walk through Bell & Ross's most defining collections. 1. BR-01 BR-03 Instrument Series, the DNA of the brand. Bold, square, cockpit-inspired. BR-01 is 46mm, BR-03 more wearable at 42mm, often feature aviation or military-themed limited editions. 2. BRV Vintage Collection, a nod to classic round case designs, perfect for those who love Bell & Ross heritage, but prefer a more traditional silhouette, often feature chronographs and retro pilot styling. 3. BRX1 and BRX5, the high-tech evolution, skeletonized dials, innovative materials, like forged carbon, titanium, and rubber. BRX5 introduces in-house caliber, BR-Cal 323 developed with Hennessy, marking a new level of independence and horological ambition. 4. Diver Collection. Yes, Bell & Ross makes serious dive watches. Square case with a unidirectional bezel, ISO certified, water resistant up to 300 meters, a unique fusion of diver tool watch and aviation aesthetic. Chapter 5: Where art meets function. What sets Bell & Ross apart is their ability to balance military-grade utility with modern design language. These are not heritage-driven watches. Bell & Ross doesn't try to emulate vintage brands. Instead, they've carved a unique identity, modern, bold, and purpose-built. Whether you're flying a jet, diving into the deep, or commanding attention at a boardroom table, there's a Bell & Ross for that. Final thoughts. Bell & Ross may be a relatively young brand in the watch world, but it has already earned its stripes. If you're drawn to tool watch ruggedness, instrument style clarity, and design boldness, this is a brand worth your wrist time. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your favorite Bell & Ross model?